Hey guys, it is a brisk April day, and we're going to put up some trellis netting for our beans, for our cucumbers, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. All right, so I was doing a little filming earlier about some fleece and some stuff, but I realized I have some broad beans coming up. They need to have some trellis. They need to have something to grow on. I'm going to go with the design I had last year to a point, but move some things around a little bit. But I saved my trellises, which I just used like a string netting from last year. So I'm putting it back in the ground along the fence right now. I'm spin you about. So over here, we have this in, and underneath all that fleece are some, I'm gonna say these are 25-gallon grow bags, maybe 20-gallon grow bags. And I have broad beans, fava beans, and there's about 25 plants coming up, so I'm pretty excited about that. But get the trellis down, we'll get them up there, gives them something nice to grow on. And then over here, I am going to, my mom just drove past, I am going to put the trellis back up to that corner, and then it goes over to about that post. But I'm gonna do beans on that side of the fence because the cucumbers did not do good there. And I'm gonna do cucumbers up on this side of the fence. And I had a little bit of an idea of something to do, build like a narrow little bed instead of grow bags. Starting to run out of space, and I'm starting to have too many plants, but that's what we're doing on this brisk April day. It is 50 degrees and possible snow flurries tonight and tomorrow. That's why everything's fleeced up. But anyways, just something quick with the trellises. I'll come back and show you when we're all together. All right, the trellises are up. We get you spun around. Get a little quick tour here. We got that one up. Excuse me, we have this one up. And like I said, I did this setup last year. You can go back and look at some cool videos of it. But right here where the hoop house is at and stuff, I had 2 rows, which actually that trellis that's over here, whoop, was right there. And I have one more. And that was because I was trying to do this like tomato jungle thing. I didn't like it. It didn't work out as good as I thought. But I had a bad tomato start last year, and this year I've really buckled down on my tomato starts and my plants, and they are looking great. Also, just a side note, I have these popping up in the big bed. I have no idea what they are, but I'm gonna let them grow for a little bit. I don't know if they're a weed, a plant, we'll find out. As I've been out here doing this, putting the trellises back up, it looks a little funny right there because, well, I had to fix it with a string. There's a big hole in the net and everything, but it'll work. All we need are some cucumbers to climb up there. Because I'm thinking cucumbers along there, some lima beans along there, and right here we have the fava beans, and they're already going. But the temperature is just going south. It's April 26th, and we're talking about snow flurries tomorrow. 30 degrees overnight, I think. Oh, I saw another part of the thing that's broke. But anyways, it's gonna be very cold. But I'm happy I got the trellis up. We're ready to go. Wait, this is just gonna be a quick little gardening video. And I'm thinking just to, I don't know, made it this far. I wanna do a gardening video a week, a pipe video a week, and some RV stuff thrown in there and goofy little projects like my tool shed build and stuff like that. That doesn't fall into gardening or pipes. But anyways, this is, and I say anyways a lot, by the way. I was trying to think if I can get the younger crowd, it could probably turn it into a drinking game. But the trellises are up. We're hoping for the weather to turn here in a little bit. We're gonna refurb them small bags. I have some zucchini starts. The tomatoes are going good. we're all fleeced up for tonight because it's going to be so cold. But hey, like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. And that's what's going on at Noah's house today. Thanks for watching. Bye.